Huh.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is the weather I'm looking at in Pennsylvania today. I had every full intention of going to Gettysburg again to get some more footage, but as you can see, it wouldn't have been good weather to film or to, therefore, you know, because I mean, look, you can't see much of a battlefield when it's covered in smog and rain.
Turn right onto Bow Creek Road.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go to Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Turn right now.
Just to make the best of it. Alright guys, I'll be back. I hope this angle is good. Let's see, hey, look, you look like a dork making these videos wearing a camera on your head. Let's see. Let's see, that's all right. So we're headed to Hershey Park, or onto Hershey Park Drive. I'm not sure. Some pretty country out here. Really green compared to Arizona. Well, I don't think anybody wants to see a red light. So in Arizona, it seems like all the roads go straight to where you're going. Around here, they're real curvy, and you gotta take all kinds of different roads. Look at this old building, old house. But you know what I mean. And a lot of these old houses, their doorways right on the sidewalk to go in the front door. At least in Hershey, that is. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've put out a bunch of videos lately. Mostly Civil War stuff. But yeah, go check them out if you haven't already. Sure what this is. Oh, 45, okay. Another thing I've noticed, they grow a lot of corn. A lot of corn out here. Even though I haven't seen any yet. We will. Alright, I'll be back in a second. And there's the aforementioned corn I was speaking of. Looks like it's a little bit out of season, but I've seen some around here that was still green. A lot of neat old houses out here, especially in Gettysburg. Check out that old house. Sweet. And they grow a lot of soybean too. I think that's what that is out there. It's mostly farm country, except for the big cities like Harrisburg, Allentown, and all that. And the smells, oh my God. When I was a kid, I grew up in a town that had a dairy farm, and it was farming country, but it was low, southern Arizona, but it was dairy farm, and it smelled just like a dairy farm, and it smells just like that up here too, and it's a lovely smell. All right, we'll catch you on the next. Look how green it is out here. I mean, it's starting to see fall colors a little bit, but so much foliage. I mean, if there's not a farm there or a road, it's just all these trees, densely forested. Welcome to Hershey. So let's see. And if you want to go anywhere, at least in my case, if you got to go to the store or to a grocery store, plan about a 15-mile trip because it's so rural out here. I haven't seen a Kroger's. I saw 7-Eleven yesterday in Harrisburg.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn right onto Hershey Park Drive.
I'll be back. Okay, I don't know if you can see in the distance there's like an amusement park built into the town.
In 1/4 mile, turn left onto Park Avenue.
Sorry about this lady, she keeps telling me what to do. But look, at one point it goes over the road. I should have went here, but then I wouldn't have been able to go to Gettysburg, and today I wouldn't want to be out in this weather. Shut up, lady. I wonder where they make the chocolate, because we're on Hershey Park Drive right now. I guess that's Hershey Park. See that Ferris wheel over there? Cool. Well, let me get in over here. Come on.
Proceed 2 miles on the current road to your destination.
Okay, bear with me, folks. Here's some of these houses I was telling you about. They're like built right up to the road because they're so old. Not these, but up here. Really cool old houses. Reminds me of home, or Prescott at least. Here we go. Old Victorian style. Well, these aren't necessarily Victorian. They're more like, I don't know what you'd call them. Colonial architecture? I don't know. This part right through here really reminds me of Prescott, Arizona. See, there we go. Hershey's. See, here's part of that, what I was talking about, part of the roller coaster going straight over the road. Here's more of that roller coaster going through right over the road. Check it out, it's pretty cool. What is that? We're almost to where we're going. I gotta go get some supplies. Alright, I'll be back. See what I mean by no front yard? It's pretty up here. This is Hershey, Pennsylvania. Where they make the chocolate, I don't know, but almost to my destination, so I'll catch you back in a minute. I don't think you want to see me go to the store. Alright, just left the store. On a side note, in Pennsylvania, at least everywhere I've bought it, you can't buy it at the main register where you like check out all your groceries. You got to do it in the adult beverage section. I didn't know that. Well, I usually just get at this gas station close by to where I'm staying, but I try to get some at a grocery store, and you have to buy it in the liquor section. And I don't know whose political sides you're on, but all you see out here is Trump signs. Pretty much. Ooh, one Biden. Never mind. There's another advantage of Hershey Park. I don't know what that big tower thing is. Maybe a ride or something that goes up, down. I don't know. All right. So I was talking with some guys that I'm working with, and they're telling me that Pennsylvania has something like 64 counties, and it's about half the size of Arizona. Heck, we only have 4 or 5, and it's twice the size. So it's kind of weird. Yeah, it's just kind of the scenery you'll see out here. Fields, hay, long stretches of road in between little tiny hamlets or townships. Yep. Rainy day in PA. Oh, and I have seen a few Mennonite or Quakers. No, they were driving cars, so they were, I think, Mennonites. But they were wearing like old-fashioned, like Little House on the Prairie dresses with the bonnets. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you back on the next. Oh, there's some more corn. Lots of corn out here. They're addicted to corn. That's a joke. Now they have a lot of cattle because you can smell them. I just haven't seen a lot yet. You can smell them for sure. A lot of old barns. Pretty neat place to be. Could I live here? I don't know. I love my Arizona. But I'll tell you what, I'm sure there's a lot of cool places to metal detect out here. And speaking of metal detecting, guys, this trip up here and going to Gettysburg has inspired me to get back into doing videos again, because I bought the Sony Vegas 17 and I attempted to make some videos on it, and it just came out all blurry and kind of crappy. And not that I'm the best at it anyways, but I did some research, watched some YouTube videos of other people, and it's not as hard as it looks. And I think my editing skills are getting better these last few times that I've tried. So when I get back to Arizona, which won't be, I'll get back to that. Anyways, I'm gonna start making some more metal detecting videos, because I kind of like the editing part. It's not as hard as I was making it out to be in my head. So, and as my as far as my plans go, I'm here in Pennsylvania till October 1st, and then I leave and I'm going to Arizona on the 2nd. I'm leaving that evening back towards Nashville. We're gonna go to Nashville, me and my dad and homie of his. We're gonna go see some of their family up there, and then we're headed back up here to Pennsylvania. We're gonna stay a few days in Gettysburg, and I'm gonna be making more videos, more in depth, because I only had 3 hours that day. I thought I'd be able to do it, but it was just, as you could tell, the videos were rushed. It was so crowded. I couldn't hardly get to see anything in the museum, and the battleground was so big. I had no clue that it was that big. That, you know, it'd take a full 2 days at least just to see it all. Anyways, guys, I'll get back with you later. Made it to our destination. Here's the car they gave me the rental. It's a 2020 Ford EcoBoost. Nice little car. Navigation in it is pretty good. It's like has its own tablet inside. Even got Sirius XFM, so I can listen to whatever kind of music I want. Not a bad hotel. It's a little bit older, but pretty well maintained. Here we are, to my room. I'll give you a little tour if you want to see it. Here we go. Bathroom, yep. Living room / bedroom. Just doing a little editing. See how far. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming along with me. Let's see. Yeah. So, getting ready to post a video here as soon as I add my last touches to it. Thanks for coming along with me. See you guys on the next one. Later.